Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will guide you how to log in Kwai account in laptop or PC. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome, or instead of that you can also open the Kwai PC application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in kwai.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Kwai. In order to log into your account, click on the option login that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find the login methods over here. Scan the QR code, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, use phone. If you want to log into your account using QR code, what you have to do is click on the option scan the QR code. Now you can see over here a QR code will be visible. What you have to do is simply open Kwai application on your device and scan this QR code. Likewise, if you want to continue with Google, simply click on the option continue with Google. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Simply click on the account that you want to use in order to log into your account. Likewise, if you want to continue with Facebook, click on the option continue with Facebook. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into the Kwai account by using the credentials of your Facebook, but for that your Facebook account should be linked with Kwai account. You can also use the phone in order to log in. Simply click on the option use phone. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in using your phone. Simply click on the option of country code first. Now select the country code. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number associated with your account over here. Now after that you'll have to click on the option send code. After that the code will be sent to your number. Simply enter that 6-digit code over here. Now click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Kwai account on PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.